As stainless steel is heated, oxygen forms a microscopic film across its surface. The thicker the film, the more it bends light, producing colors. At around 200 degrees Celsius, a straw yellow appears. Increase the heat, the layer grows, shifting to violet and blue.
Here is a side-by-side look at SUS304 stainless steel. On the left, the standard brushed finish. On the right, the same grade with a protective blue tint. Surface roughness is virtually identical, yet the tinted layer adds performance. Fingerprint adhesion drops from over 6% to just over 1%.
Mounted beneath the stainless tank, the ultrasonic transducer converts electrical energy into mechanical vibration. Pulses travel upward through the water, creating synchronized pressure waves. Where the waves converge, energy is focused. Friction at these nodes